Today's video, I'm going to be using a glue gun to repair my slippers, as you can see here, or sandals. So this is a glue gun, hot glue gun. So basically you can set it to two settings, one at 25 watts, other at 15 watts right there. Right now it's at 25 watts, blinking red. So I want to use this to kind of like glue this part up. See that crack? So you just let it, and if you want to use it, you just pull this up. Gotta wait a couple of minutes for it to heat up first, and the glue cartridges go in the back. I routinely make repairs like on my shoes and stuff when like the soles kind of like come off. Let's do it. Okay, so this part is like that. I'm gonna put some glue on there. Don't get it on your skin, it's pretty hot, by the way. Get the glue in there, nice and steady. Looks good. I'm just gonna get it in, push it in like that. Hold it in place. Get some here too. Fill some in. Wipe any excess on the paper and then just push it in. Just let it sit for maybe 10 minutes or so, and then you can just, and you can start wearing it again, I guess. That's good. Now I'm just going to unplug it because I don't want to use it anymore. After you're done, just unplug the glue gun and you should be good. Just get some paper and maybe a small paper towel and clean off the excess glue. I'm going to be doing now, so the nozzle doesn't get clogged. It's hot, so be careful. It's pretty hot. Okay, so I got it off. I cleaned off the tip. Okay, now it's ready. Some glue on there. that off. Just make sure that it's on there firmly. Just gonna let it sit. If there's any kind of strings or something, I'm just gonna pull off the glue strings. Put it there. It's dry, so it's okay. And that's it. I'm just gonna let it sit for pretty much I don't need to wear it now, so I'm just gonna let it sit. And it should be good. Okay, thanks for watching.